Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Happy Tuesday. Today I'm going to make some coconut fried shrimp. Here I have roughly about 15 jumbo shrimps. I already seasoned the shrimp, and basically I have my flour, I have some eggs, I have coconut milk, I have vegetable oil, and I have some seasoning that I'm going to season my batter with. Stay tuned. Basically, I'm going to put my shrimp into my egg wash and then shake it off into my coconut milk. Then nice cool. Shake it off and then into my flour. Give it a nice coat. You just fry them on each side about 3 minutes until they're nice and golden. And I like to put, when I fry stuff, I like to put it on a baking rack for it to drain the oil. Stay tuned. Okay guys, here it is. Nice, crispy, tasty coconut shrimp. I'll put everything in the description box. And if you guys try this recipe, please let me know how you like it. And until next time, I thank you guys for watching. Be kind to others. One love.